I'm afraid I have to tell you that what I saw.
Greedy people. Money over everybody's life.
The fight against galamsey is still on. Na mi say illegal mining na ekoso ewo my Ghana yegusu aye preach say ano ebe brakra efi o my Ghana. Aha let's talk GH rumors. So Mr. say and any first time I want to into the video now was subscribe the mama. Afi so click one notification bell no so say the beya me uploading new video bia ebe notify when na wabehye e the mama. Na ebusia himself for some time now. Ye nyina ye kasa about the fact say galamsey say oh my Ghana eno enam so ema etitiru ni abrempon ahemfo eni mpanyifo a ewo my Ghana mu nyina ede wo manu ato asemi mu a mu chiema a mu se wo say illegal mining yetu ase kwa efi oh my Ghana mu na ebusia enam so ema eye Otumfuor Osei Tutu the second Asantehene nana onkwaso Piao Otumfuor ekopie mu ewo General Annual Conference a course ewo Kumase Ghana Bar Association for ene hosti sa program ine ho ena ye Otumfuor Osei Tutu the second kopie mu na ochema Osei few days ago ochemu ewo Pra River ne so no course dia ko Cape Coast odu ho no osi ehye river no nani anje ho kwa na ochema Osei illegal mining no Asai Pra River ne kwa no de obesrese nka na said ye Otumfuor Osei Tutu Asantehene nana onkwaso mo enejo wanuhwam na ye da wase na ye besese said ye nana eka no mama ye na ye ho so na ye fight against galamsey na enumu no ene ye Alabaster International Ministry sofo ani din e de prophet Kofi Oduro ono so ebekasa e de fa galamsey semsem ochema was say eye galamsey activities no higher authorities ensa ewase or say eye pom gun eye na ekwekwa nkofo ni sa action gun no ne boye din 40,000 Ghana cedis uniska wintimi nto eye sa ordinary people no mo ye galamsey na yehu omo no omo entimi for this gun nto ochema o say empanyufo ni bi ensa hyase yentie sofo Oduro enu asem ma ye ba ye beto amso.
You call this nation with galamsey. Show me pictures. Show me pictures of galamsey. This is irresponsibility. This is irresponsibility. This is irresponsibility. You are here saying, God bless our homeland Ghana. Do you think if I am a galamseyer, I will be standing here this morning? Me too, galamseyer. Do you think the people doing this nonsense have people who are in authority powering them? One pump action gun is 40,000 Ghana cedis. So who buys pump action guns and give to these people who are able to face the police and the soldiers? They can face them because they have been empowered by people in authority. They have eaten their cake and they are still looking for it. Wicked leaders will be judged. Now Ghana Medical Association is telling the Republic of Ghana that stop every act, whether it's galamsey or small scale mining, whatever, stop it immediately. Because now we are having children with 2 heads, children with only 3 fingers. If it comes more, 17 fingers. We are having birth deformations from the chemicals of this menace. And we have a president of this country. We have a cabinet of this country. We have a parliament of this country who looks on irresponsible. At least we have a chief in this country who is trying. Can these 2 people? You are galamsey. Your Majesty Osei Tutu the second. At least you are trying. That trying should be the leadership of this nation. Look at the way the church is quiet about this menace. This menace. Your members are going to be dying of kidney failures and leukemia and all kinds of cancers from this. This galamsey, show me pictures, please. This galamsey thing is not going to be a joke. I mean, when are we going to fix this? Who you have in America? Now, do you see America doing this? Do you see even South Africa, who does a lot of mining? I have been to many mining sites in South Africa. You will clap. Doing this. Greedy people. Money over everybody's life. So when your prophets, some of them wants to talk, God has revealed to me who will win this election. You are very irresponsible. We don't care about this election. We care about sensible people who wants to do sensible things. We don't care. We are
said the prophet Kofi Ojo no see even the Christians no e kamia kwa say ye nyatwom ayintimi kwan preach about the fact says anyoma we ye ekoso nyina enye na emomekutia ye my Ghana de asofofo na anima ne say MPP na beweni NDC na beweni opache say enu emfa ye ho ye de ne say ye bebo ye my Ghana eho bai na enumu no still on the fight against galamsey ya Dormaahene Nana Frejia the second. Onu eso ebekasa Nana Echilema was say a few days ago a Ghana Water Company Limited the two just say a ebeka kwan komu nyems you enfan supplying emayem I na say ya hometisem ye panti Nana Echilema was say the fight against galamsey no die was say you try pa as much as we can na ye brass kra enye sadia na is ahemfo no mbejo monsa say every president ne empanifo nsem
galamsey no yewura I practice menka say wa penso no bi ni ho nka na menka no kre na si say dia Ghana ni bia machia no galamsey no yewura okoye yensuo na no kra de ayi beka ba say Ghana Water Company Limited ya be de otu yanim say anhwe ye a ebeduru ba bi no nsuo no abayo no etikofom ebeduru ba bi ba be import nsuo na no de amenkwate kra bia ni dini wom o all region back ono ba import nsuo no kreni nte no mbufu yie Oba important so amare.
Osei ade yo Nana Frejia the second Dormaahene ono na yeti nenum asem Nana onkwaso Nana Echilema was say you fight against galamsey anyhow any mean possible. Eno muno ana ye sofu Kumchacha aye nim sofu Kumchacha die or a controversial person kakra but a ban of krekandia on Feniago a prophet Kumchacha ono susu abekasa pa was say a few days ago not one no ko pie video bi so yensa se pa na say yensu so ana say Ochema was say emu behia say ye nyina ye beka bom ne fight against galamsey owie ye na so ha o invoke cases efa ministers are claiming say onu de o gidi so we involved in galamsey and was say ministers ni bi nsa wom panyimfo ni bi ahemfo so ensa wom yentie sofu Kumchacha enum asem ni bi mra
enna mi gina ha hwe oyiri we ekuta me sa oyiri we say obi bia wo ye MP a wonim galamsey hu bi me kese wo edome wo enum ye nkan furo kan obi bia wo ye minister na galamsey wonim hu bi stroke enkan wani fry enkan cancer mra wo so obi bia wo ye wo hene na galamsey yesi ye nyai na wunyai na wonim hu bi Yankopon to emaka accident atofu wo ne no me echo cancer eni fraye enkan obi bia wo ye pani wo kurom wa na o man nkan ko ompe na wo sei o man no na o man no abo adadoa na Yesu asei ene on the 8th September 2024 prophet Kumchacha me keso eno me yade wo enkamo ayemfo a modem nsa asema China fo ene Ghana fo tu galamsey ahemfo ni nyina mokotenwu mu nyina mokotenwu mosuo ma ben yela suro konkam ani fra yamra moso na wo ye wose galamsey onya tu ya bo ani fra yamra
was yourself Kumchacha and yet say ne numa semno, sofu chema, na wo yira ne pa was say, and who be nyasi a bebras, na pay you for now when you vote cases on them, no so wouldn't say who won't be a now what down so now what tries I will be fighting against galamsey because the see a posy Ghanaians at risk pa a be why you say a woman one semen so because of galamsey it's in suoni chemical na friends when my sanomono and my see abnormalities be breaba obewona obanse ni obewona obanan ni ho doctors ichioma almost say due to chemicals na ye di efa nsuoni mu no aha let's talk GH rumors so and any first time I will share me I'm sure so be subscribe ya mama no wa click on notification bell ni so say the be ya me uploading new video bia unsabiti ni aka na wa share e dia mama na any update bi e beba concerning the issue am dia be so mu no beside e de bebrema bidin ene na na epi asantoa medamase